welcome to my channel. In a previous video I was presenting you this filament runout sensor. Today I'll present you a new one which can detect both a runout filament but also a tangling or a jammed filament. Now, to know how it works, we're going to open it and see what is inside. Okay, here we have a microswitch. We have different sliders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sliders, and we have a spring here. Now, when the filament is inserted, it pushes down this slider, which in return pushes down this slider, and this slider will trigger the microswitch by moving the lever down. Now, when there is no more filament, as you can see, this slider moves up, this one also moves up, and this one also moves up, and the microswitch is no longer triggered. It's very simple. It moves up and down. When there is filament, it moves down, and there is no more filament, it moves up. This is for the filament runout sensor. Now, when the filament is jammed or when it tangles, it moves back this slider here. It moves back this slider here. This slider, when moving upward, it moves at the same time this slider to the right. This slider moves the intermediate slider here, retained by the spring. And when this slider moves, when these grooves arrive at this level, there is more space and the lever of the microswitch moves up. Okay. Let me show you. When this one moves up, see how these sliders move toward the right, and because of the space here, the microswitch is no longer triggered. And when it is freed, you see it moves down again. Let's see it more precisely in the animation. Now we're going to see how it works on the printer. Okay, now it is printing. I'm going to simulate a tangling filament by retaining the filament for a while. Now when I block the filament, this and there we go, it says wait for filament change to start. Okay, the tangling filament has been detected. Now it unloads the filament. I wait for it to finish. I insert the filament and I hit continue. I wait for the purge. Okay, I hit continue. And it resumes printing. Now I'm going to cut the filament. I'm going to cut the filament here. As you can see, it has detected the filament runout. Now it's waiting for me to insert the filament again. Now I'm going to insert the filament. There it is. Now it says press button to hit the nozzle. Now the nozzle is hitting. It's loading the filament. Okay, I hit continue. Still hitting the nozzle, and there it is. It's printing again. As you can see, it's very efficient. Whenever there is no more filament, or when the filament tangles or jams, it is detected automatically and the print is stopped. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and share the videos and subscribe to my channel for further videos.